it'll ratchet in both directions, and that makes it twice as fast. We're taking a look at the screwdriver today, well, because it was suggested in the comments multiple times when we did the review of this screwdriver. This is the Kobalt Double Drive. I did pick this up in Lowe's, but you can find these online. I'll put a link down below in case you're interested. It also looks like there might be a couple different variations of this, but this is the one that I found on the shelf, so we're going to take a look at it. Taking a look at the tool itself, I can very quickly tell that the plastic is a reinforced plastic. Anything that you see that is blue is a rubber. It has a nice kind of rubber grip feel to it. It does come with 6 double-ended bits, and they just kind of push and stay in via friction. They don't feel like they're going to fall out anytime soon, but it is friction alone that is holding them in place. The neck of the screwdriver, as you can see, is kind of bulky, and that's because there's a lot going on in here as well. So what makes this ratcheting screwdriver unique is that it does ratchet. That's pretty obvious. But if you hang onto the collar, it'll ratchet in both directions, and that makes it twice as fast, or at least that's the claim of the advertisement. Now in the comments, the reason people seem to like this particular screwdriver is how smooth the internal gearing is. Now it is a straight ratcheting screwdriver. It does not have any gear ratios built into it, so it's 1-to-1, but I will say that everybody is correct. When you turn the screwdriver, you don't feel any gearing going on inside. It is buttery smooth, and that is extremely impressive. The ratcheting is reversible with this switch here. So if you switch it this direction, it'll turn the other way as you turn the handle. And again, it's just super smooth. You can hear a little bit of slop, but the actual mechanism inside is wonderful. It also has kind of a quick release going on here. You have to pull back on this collar and then it comes out. So if you don't pull back on it, it won't remove. But it's the same thing when you put it in place. You have to pull back on it to get it to accept. And then once it locks in, it's stuck there. It holds very well. So yeah, there's a lot going on with the screwdriver, but the question is, how well does it work? And well, we're going to find out. So as you know, I like to use these screws on these receptacles to test these screwdrivers because they're very long-winded. So let's go ahead and test it out just as a normal ratcheting screwdriver. We're not going to hold on to the collar, and it works one-handedly without any issues at all. Now let's go ahead and hold on to the collar, and now it'll turn both directions no matter what way we turn the handle. And it's working fantastically. It's actually working extremely well. And it's very efficient to back out a screwdriver by hand with one of these screwdrivers. Let's go ahead and put the screw back in. And because it's that 1-to-1 ratio, there's really no torque issues. It works very well. Actually, it's very smooth. That internal gearing mechanism is amazing, as you guys pointed out. And there we go. So what are my final thoughts? Well, you know what? I think I like the screwdriver as well. It does feel good in my hand, and you can activate the switch one-handedly if you need to do so. You can also operate the screwdriver one-handed. You don't need to hang onto the collar, but if you do want to speed it up and get twice the speed, when you hang onto the collar, it'll turn the same direction no matter what way you turn the handle. Whatever gearing mechanism they used inside is absolutely buttery smooth. You guys nailed that. And it's also not a super expensive screwdriver, and you can pick it up in a big box store. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.